To request money using Zelle on M&T Bank, follow these steps. Log into your M&T Bank online banking. Open your web browser and visit the official M&T Bank website. Enter your user ID and password, then click Sign On to access your online banking account. Navigate to Zelle. Once logged in, locate the Transfers menu. Under this menu, select Send Money with Zelle. If you haven't enrolled in Zelle yet, you'll be prompted to link your account to Zelle. Follow the instructions to complete the setup. Request money. After enrolling in Zelle, click on the Request tab. Enter the email address or mobile phone number of the person you're requesting money from. Add the amount you wish to request and optionally include a note explaining the payment. Send request. Once everything is filled out, click Request to send a money request. The recipient will receive a notification via email or text, prompting them to send the money through Zelle. Monitor your request. You can track the status of the request in your Zelle section. The recipient can accept or deny the request.